I'll demonstrate how to solder a setting into a band and how to set a stone in platinum. To follow along with this video, you will need, before beginning, I will anneal the band. I need to remove 3.6 millimeters from the band, and I'll mark this measurement opposite the solder seam using dividers. I will need to round the edges of the band to match its curvature. Platinum does not require flux for soldering, but cleanliness is essential. I will use a very hot oxidizing flame for soldering. The flame will be directed at the solder seam, concentrating heat solely in that area. To clean the ring, I will use specialized silicone wheels designed for platinum. Due to platinum's density, the polishing process involves 3 distinct steps with high grit compounds, taking significantly longer than polishing gold or silver. I will begin cutting the seat by running the burr evenly around the oval. To set the stone, I will position it securely in the seat and begin hammer setting at the north, south, east, and west points. With the right tools and techniques, the process becomes both manageable and enjoyable.